think it's time to fix this drawer. Hey everybody, Andy Ryder here with Project Lab. This drawer has been missing a bottom since I got the desk for free off of Craigslist 3 years ago. I've been dragging my feet on fixing it because I wanted to do the repair right. Make a seamless fix that matched the original construction method of the desk. But it uses dovetails. Those are really hard to get apart. Research suggests that you can inject hot vinegar into the joints and try to tap the thing apart with a mallet. But even that can end up damaging the drawer, which means that I could invest a bunch of work into this and I'd go from having a drawer with a missing bottom to a drawer that's been smashed to pieces. So instead of taking that risk, I'm gonna try a different repair. I've never seen anyone try this before, but I think it'll work. Sweet! Works for me. Basically, I've created half of a dado. I'm not planning on dropping any anvils in here, so those glued sides and that plywood bottom should be plenty fine. And there's nothing holding the bottom down, but who cares? As long as there's something in the drawer, it's gonna hold itself in place. It might not be the prettiest fix, but it works. It's not like this is Abe Lincoln's old desk. I think it belonged to a music teacher in town here, going by the graffiti in the drawer. If this fails, I'll let you know, but I'm happy with it right now. If you want to learn more about using old office furniture in the workshop, I'll have links to that down below as well. And if you have any questions or thoughts, you can always share them in the comments on YouTube. I try to respond to everybody who stops by. Thanks for watching.